Changing the daily budget for your Facebook ads allow you to adjust your spending based on campaign performance and budget allocation. Here's how to do it. Access Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Ads Manager. Select Campaign. From the Ads Manager dashboard, locate the campaign containing the ad set with the budget you want to change. Edit ad set. Click on the campaign to expand it and reveal the ad sets within. Click on the ad set you want to edit to open its settings. Adjust budget. Scroll down to the budget and schedule section. Locate the daily budget field and click on the current budget amount. Enter new budget. Enter the new daily budget amount you wish to allocate to the ad set. Facebook will update the budget automatically based on the changes you make. Review and apply changes. Review the changes you've made to ensure they align with your advertising goals and budget. Click Publish or Save changes to apply the new budget to your ad set. Monitor performance. Keep an eye on your ad performance and adjust your budget as needed to optimize results and maximize ROI.